Napakadilim ng nangyari sa atin, 'di ba? Huwag mo sayangin. Huwag mo sayangin, tsaka huwag mo sasabihin helpless ka na di ko na kayang umalis dito. Hindi, matututo ka, no? Matututo kang tumayo. At yung mga umaasenso ay talagang ini-empower nila yung sarili nila. What did we do that made it possible for us to have a Bongbong Marcos, a president
Mhm.
who engages? You look at that video, what made it possible for us to have a president na tsumutsupa ng
Mm.
male prostitute for $40,000 of taxpayers' money, marinig mo pa na money is no object. Pagkatapos tumayo pa siya at bumoga, what made that possible? While he was president, di ba? Ginawa niya yan. Huwag nating
Yeah.
sasabihin na wala tayong kinalaman doon. May kinalaman tayo dyan, no? Lahat tayo magkakadikit mga bituka natin. Napakawalang ya. Napakawalang hiya ng gobyerno. Bakit nangyayari ito? Hindi lang si Bongbong Marcos, si Ralph Recto, walang hiya, magnanakaw. Di ba?
Yes.
Si Percy Sendanya, walang hiya, magnanakaw. Laila De Lima, walang hiya, magnanakaw. Si Ontiveros, no, nakakapagkuha siya ng mga witnesses na magfo-falsely testify, and she gets away with it.
Yes.
Why? What kind of society are we na pinayagan natin na pwedeng mangyari yan? Imagine if we stop voting into office those assholes.
Mhm. I agree.
I believe that can only happen kapag tayo mismo nagbago. Sa atin magsisimula yung pagbabago na yan. So,
At
So,
yun ang
in other
sinasabi
words,
mo, Mama,
mm,
na we need to have a maturity at the level of politics.
yes,
Understanding of governance. At doon ko
yes,
na-appreciate yung binabanggit mo dati na magkakasama pa tayo sa isang programa natin, yung Pilipinas Nating Mahal, that voters' education is not just about how to vote, but who is going to be voted in office on the degree of giving honor to office rather than giving importance to 1,000 pesos, 500 pesos, 1,500 na pamimili ng boto. And then one day lang. Tapos parang nagiging sorry for the word, nagiging putang politika tayo. Na binibenta natin ang boto natin just because lahat gumagawa niyan, so why not do it anyway? Hindi man nila pera yan, pero tingnan yung resulta. You have the kind of Bongbong Marcos Jr. right now. You have the kind of Benny Abante, the kind of Martin Romualdez, the kind of De Lima, Ontiveros, sapagkat sila po ang refleksyon ng nabubulok at napakababa na antas ng pangpolitikang pagkamulat ng taong bayan.